In the beginning, God was already there. Before the form, before the light, before the world understood anything at all.
In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. The earth was without form, without a word, void and dark, but not alone. The Spirit moved, He claimed His throne. He calls things that are not yet seen, speaks life where nothing's been. Not confusion, not mistake, just God preparing what He'll make. What looks empty to the eye is still held by the Most High. Before the shape, before the name, the Word was moving just the same. Formless, but not forsaken. Void, but not alone. The Word was there before the light, before the earth, before the throne. God is not the author of fear or confusion, but peace, truth, and perfect conclusion. What He begins, He carries through. The work is His, and it's still true. Jeremiah saw the earth laid bare, no light in heaven, judgment in the air. But vision is an absence of the Lord. It's worn and spoken by His word. He forms the light, creates the dark. Justice falls, but mercy marks. He speaks and order rises again. From dust to life to redeem men. In the beginning was the Word. The Word was God. All things made through Him. Nothing exists outside Him. Formless, but not forsaken. Void, but never lost. Creation waits, the Word still speaks. Grace still carries every cost. Not tradition, not empty sound, but living truth that can't be found. The Word made flesh, the light that came. Salvation rests in Jesus' name. God is still creating, God is still speaking, and what He started, He will finish.